Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to compute a new variable based on the already created variables in SPSS data file and selecting specific cases, sorting the cases and splitting a file into two or more. So for this purpose we have to create the data structure. That means we have to create the variables first of all. So let us click on the variable view and here let us have a view into the variables created. 6 variables are created here: student name, gender, age, GK1, GK2, GK3. GK1, GK2, GK3 they represent the score in general knowledge test 1, general knowledge test 2 and general knowledge test 3. Let us move on further. Let us see how the data has been created for this file. Yes, 20 records have been created. So all the variables here are appearing as column headings. So we have 6 column headings: student name, gender, age, GK1, GK2, GK3, and there are 20 records here. The rows represent records and column represents variables. Here we are going to create a new variable. The new variable is named as GK_average. That means we are going to compute the average of the 3 scores in 3 tests. So for this purpose we have to click on the transform menu. From the drop down menu we will have to select compute variable. So this will create the compute variable box. So the box is opened. So in the target variable box we have to type GK_average. This is a new variable. Then we will have to move on to the function group here. The function group in this box on the right hand side we have function group window. So in the window we will have to select all function, and in the functions and special variables box we will have to select mean. And thereafter we have to click on the up arrow button. This will transfer the inbuilt mean function to the numeric expression. So the inbuilt function mean is transferred to this box, to the numeric expression box. Mean brace question mark comma question mark brace bracket. So what we will have to do? So in this function, built-in function, we will have to transfer the required variables. We will have to transfer the required variables. The variables to be transferred here are GK1, GK2, GK3. So we can either type GK1, GK2, GK3 within the brackets, or else we can simply transfer from this type and label boxes. Here score in general knowledge 1 and then clicking on the arrow here, it will be transferred there. Then score in GK2 and click on the arrow here, and score in general knowledge 3, click on the arrow, it will be automatically transferred to the brackets, within the brackets. Then we have to click on OK. Let us see how this variable appears in the variable view and data view. In the variable view it is appearing as a 7th variable. With the variable we have created GK_average. In the label we can type the detailed description of this variable. Say average of general knowledge scores. Let us see how this appears in the data view. The data view, the syntax gets executed here and a new column is created with GK_average with the answer, with the resultant figure. For all these 20 records the average is computed and it is appearing in the last column. Let's go ahead with the sorting of cases here. For this purpose we have to click on the data menu and sort cases, and this gets opened, the sort cases window. So on the left hand side we find the variables we have created, and of these variables we have to move the required variable for which we want to sort the cases to the sort by box by clicking on the arrow. And data sort cases. Here we have transferred the age to the sort by window, sort by box, and we want to arrange the age data in ascending order. So we have selected here the ascending, and then we have to click on OK. Once the command is executed, we have to return back to the data view to find out the result. So let us see here, we have arranged age in ascending order. Let us see here, the records have been rearranged based on age: 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and so on. So the records originally created now have been rearranged based on the age factor, because we have arranged the age based on the ascending order. So this is how we can create we can arrange other variables also. If we want, we can rearrange GK1 marks scores in General Knowledge 1 or General Knowledge 2 or 3 by using this command, either in ascending or descending order. Having seen the sort cases, let us move on to select cases. Sometimes the analysis require only specific records. The analysis is not pertaining to all the records. So this has to be, analytical tools will have to be applied only to selective records. So in that case, we can use this select cases command. So for this purpose, we have to click on data menu. From the drop down menu, we will have to select the select cases, and this select cases box will get opened. So here we find the variables that we have created, for which variable we want to select cases. So here we have to apply the select cases command. So here I want to select only the male records. So gender is the variable. So you have to click on gender. You have to click on gender and you have to select if condition is satisfied. If condition is satisfied, and you have this is if condition is satisfied, and this opens select cases if box, if window. So here you have to transfer gender, and this gender is equal to 1. You have to type, because we have labeled male records by 1 and female records by 2, and here we want to have only male records for further analysis. For further analysis, we don't require female records, and therefore we are transferring here gender, and by clicking on the arrow, gender is transferred here, and there you have to give the code 1. Then you have to click on continue. This will bring back you to the previous window, and there you will have to select OK. Now let us have a look into the data view. The result of the select cases are shown here, and we find here diagonal lines across the row number label for the female records. So only the male records are filtered as a result of this command. So the female records are crossed out. We find diagonal records across the female records. So these records will not be considered for further analysis. Only the male records have been filtered. So these male records alone will be considered for further analysis. And a new column known as filter variable column. Here we find all the zeros are not considered for further analysis. These records are not considered. These have been highlighted. The records which will not be considered for further analysis, they are highlighted, and only the filtered records, male records, which have been coded as 1, they will be considered for further analysis. The variable view here shows a new variable filter variable, and in the label column we find that gender equal to 1, that is filtered. So we find only the male records available for our further analysis. Female records, they are no longer available. And if we want to have the female records also for further analysis, we can delete the filter variable just by selecting and right clicking on it and giving delete. It will be cancelled. Again you can restore back the female records also. Or we are having another way of doing this, that is we can again go to the data menu, and we can select the select cases menu, and this will open the select cases window, and there you will have to select all cases. And we have to click on OK, and this will restore all the record. Once we select all the cases, then all the records are taken back for further analysis. And let us see this in the data view. Here we find all the cases, no more cross lines across the records. Let us go ahead with the next command, that is split files. We can even split the files, the entire records, into a specific number of files, so that further analysis that will be done after splitting the files will be done separately for all these files. So here we have to click on the data menu. From the drop down menu we will have to select split file command and split file, and then you have to select organize output by groups, and the required variable groups based on, here we want to have the files based on gender, based on which variable we want to have the groups. Based on gender we want it, and you have to click on the sort the file by grouping variables and click on OK. So this will split the files into two. Here we want to have the records separately for male and female. So let us see this in the data view, how the records have been arranged. This window, the window on the right hand side, shows the execution of the command, and here the highlighted portion shows that the male records are arranged separately, and female records up to 1 to 9 we have male records, and 10 to 20 we have female records. So now we have got a better idea about the computation of new variable, sorting the files, and selecting the cases, and splitting the files. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.